Hey SD, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I lay down my wax strips while doing a Brazilian wax. This technique takes me about 10 minutes to complete, and I feel like it can be very helpful because a lot of times estheticians think that they can just lay down one strip at a time, but that just takes too long. It should not take you 30 or 40 minutes to do a Brazilian wax. So I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, please shoot me a DM or respond in the comments. Have a good day.